Hey, what's up, Facebook? I just got this awesome deal under contract, and we're gonna flip this thing. So check it out. This house.
What?
I have poor connection. So this house was built a few years ago. It's about 8 square feet. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and let's. We got some mold growth here on the post. Should be an easy fix there.
Mommy.
Hey, no, we're not going to climb on the roof, guys, right now.
That's mine.
No, don't climb on the roof.
Mine.
It's not your roof.
It's everybody.
All right, let's check this thing out. Got rear yard access here. Doesn't this flip up? What bedroom is which?
That could be that could be a bedroom. I think this.
Where's the kitchen is my question.
Well, the kitchen right here. Yeah. Or maybe there. Yeah. I don't really know. Or maybe the living room. Maybe there.
You think we got to replace all these flooring?
Flooring? Yeah. This is the bathroom.
Oh, that's definitely the bathroom because of the tile. Tile.
What can this be?
Like a hallway into. That could be like where the king and queen sleep here.
No, this.
Room.
So maybe bunk bed should be
All right,
right
what do you
here.
think it'll cost to get this thing in top shape?
Dad, when could we clean this?
$few bucks.
Yeah. When could we? Okay, let me get some rag.
All right, so that's the flip we're working on now. It's a big project. I don't know. Whoa.
There's a mirror right
This
here.
connection is terrible. I'm glad
There's
I
a
paid
mirror.
for high-speed internet.
There's a mirror.
Oh, nice mirror.
Hey, yeah.